Greetings, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and welcome to this weekly update for the last week in February. Incredible, but time flies, and we are already in March. I have today two turning points that are very important in this week, and this is basically on the 24th of February at the beginning of the week and on the 2nd of March at the end of the week. The first turning point is Mars going direct, and the second one is Venus turning retrograde. So let's go into it. As always, I would like to start with the global astrology. We have on the 24th of February UTC time zone the turn of Mars. Mars will go direct, will stay out of bounds, so quite very strong in the sidereal sign of Gemini. It is a turning point at the 22nd degree, which is linked to Capricorn, which is hierarchy. It's about government, it's about law, and it has this Saturnian dimension of law, of regulation somehow. So this would be themes of the week ahead, as we will see in a minute. This day is quite powerful for Bitcoin, I would say. Although I don't give much details here for the Bitcoin horoscope, I want only to mention the fact that we will have strong volatility upwards. So in case of volume, we might experience a nice recovery and growth. We talk about recovery because right now it's February 19th that I shoot this video, and we are pretty with dumps that alternate with recovery. So be aware of that, and it could be a big jump if we have volume, and this could be a bit delayed, but it is nevertheless on the menu for the week, for the beginning, for the start of it. It should happen. Then we have Tuesday, which is quite controversial because we do have in the global astrology the Mercury Saturn conjunction, and this is really about diminishing the returns from trading, because Saturn would diminish it. It's linked to regulation as well, and it is really an aspect that happens regularly. So I won't say it is really a disaster because of Mercury. Mercury moves quite fast. Sometimes when it's retrograde, it will last longer in a sign, but in general, this is an aspect Mercury Saturn that we get actually yearly. So this means that we will have dumps. Most likely it will happen on Tuesday especially. We do have also the Pluto-Mercury aspect, which is exact in the Bitcoin chart that I warned about. This is a very subtle, it's a aspect that is active actually the whole year, and we feel it already because it is inside the price action, so to speak, the dumps that we see. And I would say that it is quite a dangerous day. So on Tuesday, I recommend extra care for you in the markets if you want to trade. And then we persist in this negative energy in general, I would say, until Thursday. And the global astrology would really give us green light for a bit of growth. But again, we've increased volatility on Thursday when we do have a Mercury-Uranus sextile. This means that Mercury trading now is fueled with some volatility, and the price action is really dynamic due to the fact that we might get some sudden news or even rumors that are not confirmed, but they will really move prices, and we might get a nice pump in the last part of the week. So I'm talking about the working days, Thursday and Friday. Friday, the first part of the day, because the second part is a bit controversial. Let's put it like this. It would be with more negative energy, and it's not such a powerful day astrologically at a global level. This is what I wanted to share for February for the global astrology. We don't have so much this week. The big astrological events at the beginning of March, I talk about the 1st and the 2nd of March take place during the weekend. So in the absence of volume, we will not see much. What we really need to focus on is the turning point of Venus, which is the planet associated with currency and cryptocurrency. This will take place on March 2nd UTC time zone. So all my dates are for UTC location London, UK, just to avoid any confusion. And we do have also other powerful aspects that I want to talk about, and they are more long term. They will affect the whole week, and they will be very powerful in the beginning of the other week, when we will see more action on Monday, starting fully in March. And these are the Mercury Neptune and Mercury Rahu conjunctions. They are positive in nature, and they are quite powerful. And I would say that the effect on Bitcoin needs to be strong, because Mercury is currently quite activated in the horoscope. And we do have also another one that is not such a positive aspect. It's a Jupiter-Sun square. So there is some tension, less optimistic outlook towards regulation. This could be something that we could interpret here, or some delays really, because we do have a climate of Saturn. So we talked about Saturn, which is time, and we got these aspects earlier in the week which are still active. So these combined could really look at some pessimism in the markets, but I would not say that this is a very serious aspect that can dump things, due to the fact that we have the other two which are quite powerful, and they would really have more to say in the price action for the next week. So this is what I have for the end of February and the beginning of March. On the 1st of March, exactly on the first day, we don't have a significant major aspect in global astrology, but we have again quite a dynamic start of the month in March, and eclipses come. So stay tuned for more videos that I would explore in detail this complex astrological landscape that we have. And I would like to say that this is a sneak peek to what we have in terms of reports and explanations for the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We have altcoins on Patreon. I know they are not so hype now, or maybe it's too early for some of you, but maybe it's good to have a look if you are interested to go deeper also into the Bitcoin forecast, because here I try to give an overview that would give as many insights as possible, but the horoscope analysis that I do for Bitcoin is inside the membership with Ethereum and Solana along. All Patreon subscribers would get discounts for the products that I have. Some of them are quite interesting, I would say, like yearly forecasts for 2025. So should you be interested, it's really worthwhile to join the membership. Thank you so much for your attention, for your time, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. I'm grateful for that. And until next time, be joyful. See you.